come go to the market with me. So today we're gonna be going to the market and we're gonna be grabbing a few snacks. And while we grab the snacks, we might get a drink and sit there and eat. So okay, while we're on our way to the market, I'm gonna be telling you guys how my day went. So my day went good. Me and my friend went scooter riding, but guess what happened? His scooter just broke. Okay, so we're like 2 seconds away from the market. Oh shit, my phone. It's good. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we're at the market. Hey guys, we just got to the market. Okay, this is what I'm getting. Okay, I paid for the food. Let's eat. Nah, this is actually really good. Follow for more scooter videos.